Good afternoon, Durham. I'm Rod Jenkins, Director of the Durham County Department of Public Health. In recent weeks, Durham County, like most of North Carolina, has entered the orange or high COVID-19 community level. Also recently, new COVID subvariant XBB.1.5 has begun to spread and has become the most prominent subvariant in the United States. Today's video will address both of these topics and provide reminders for staying safe. First, what should you know about XBB.1.5? This is another subvariant of Omicron, and it is more easily transmissible, meaning more contagious than the previous strains of COVID-19. You may have heard that it is more immune evasive than other Omicron strains. This means it is better than previous strains at causing infections by avoiding your body's immunity, even if you had COVID before or have been vaccinated. This does not mean vaccines do not provide any protection. In particular, the bivalent COVID vaccines has been shown to reduce the risk of serious illness, hospitalizations, and death. It is now more important than ever to make sure you are up to date on your vaccinations. The vaccines continue to provide protection against infection, serious illness, hospitalization, and death, so taking your shot is still critically important to help you stay safe, along with practicing other COVID safety measures. As you may know, Durham is currently in the high COVID-19 community level. The CDC determines community levels based on case numbers and hospitalizations. As of now, Durham County is in the high level due to our hospitalization data. So what should you do to stay safe? For counties in this high level, the CDC recommends masking indoors, avoiding certain non-essential indoor activities if you are at high risk, and of course, staying up to date on your vaccinations. Remember, you are not up to date until you have received your updated bivalent booster. Unfortunately, only about 20% of people in North Carolina and 31% of people in Durham County who are eligible for the updated booster have actually received their shot. These boosters are critical for protecting yourself and others as your immunity from previous boosters fades and new variants spread. All people age 5 or older and most children ages 6 months to 4 years are eligible for their updated booster. If it's been at least 2 months since you finished your primary vaccination series or received a monovalent booster, it's time for your updated dose. Visit our website at decopublichealth.org/COVID vaccines to learn more. We continue to offer free COVID-19 vaccinations available by walk-in, free home tests available to pick up, and drive-through testing is still provided in the Lakewood Shopping Center. If you do test positive, remember to contact your medical provider, visit a Test to Treat center, or use a new free telehealth option provided through a partnership by the North Carolina Department of Health and Human Services in order to get treatment right away if you are eligible. Visit covid19.ncdhhs.gov/find treatment to learn more about your treatment options. As you can see, Durham, COVID-19 is not over, but we continue to provide resources to help you stay safe. By following tried and true COVID safety measures like masking when needed, getting tested, and staying up to date on your vaccinations, I know that we can do this, Durham.